Hey, today we're going to change out this clutch lever. So the clutch lever is obviously bent there, so we're going to change it out with the new one. The first thing to do is just kind of slide that boot over it. And now that adjuster right there, you might have to get some channel locks to pop it loose, and then it just unthreads by hand there, just to kind of loosen the tension on it. Now you'll take it and loosen the screw there. There's a bolt, actually, a bolt and a nut. Just one that hold that in. That's an 8mm. And now it'll come free, so you can just pop that out there, and I turn it on its top. That way you got access to the end of the cable there. Now we'll just take some needle nose and pop that little end of the cable out there. Now we got the old handle off. Here's a look at the new one. Always nice to have a nice fresh clutch handle and brake handle. And same thing here, you just slide the end of that cable in there. It's the stop, and so you just kind of work that in there same way it came off. Kind of a close look at it there, and pop it back in there. Now it's ready for us to put the bolt and nut back in there, tighten it up. Now one thing too, you want it tight, but you don't want the darn thing so tight where it won't move. So that's always a possibility. If you crank it down too much, it could impede the lever itself. So just tight enough to not come loose and also have free movement of the clutch lever. Now you go ahead and adjust it and get the cable tension back in place. This is a super easy thing to do. You can do it yourself. Yep, just tighten that thing. And now you might also have to back out the screw, the tensioning screw, a little bit more. That there just keeps it from unscrewing, but you want nice free flow and not loose. See, it snaps right back into place there. If it doesn't snap all the way back into place, your cable's too loose and you need to tighten it up a little bit more. Well, I hope this helps you out, and thank you for watching.